Mysore or Mahishmati Nagara is the name of the royal city that has its roots in the antiquity that goes back to the epic Mahabharata.
The royal city is a city of palaces, plazas, promenades and parks with a guardian hill of goddess Chamundeshwari in the northwest.
The hill provides a green and rocky backdrop to the city of Maharajas who visualized and built this famous city that has the famous Lalit Mahal as we descend from the holy shrine with its massive gopuram down the 1,000 steps overlooking a city that is just waking up to the calls of the mundane world. After the iconic hill and the palaces, the city gets its second name as an educational town because of the Mysore University and distinguished colleges like Srimati Bhagya Lakshmamma Rattehalli Ramappa Mahajana First Grade College.
The college, which is a composite institution with undergraduate and postgraduate studies, has become the most popular destination of students from over 23 nations overseas and 17 states in the Union of India, justly for its relentless pursuit of excellence in academics integrated with values education to provide finer citizens for the world's largest democracy.
If you are clean and your surroundings are clean, then you'll be inviting less hazard to your health.
Housed in 23 acres of greenery and the heart of the growing metropolis in Jayalakshmipuram, the institution has become a synonym for quality education nurtured by the famous charitable institution, namely the Mahajana Education Society.
Eulogized by Bharat Ratna Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who has blessed our campus with his 2 visits, the college is now submitting itself for its 3rd cycle of re-accreditation by the National Assessment and Accreditation Council, Bangalore.
What started as elite college in the state later acquired 4-star status, first cycle, moved on to 2007 when it was given B++ status and was recognized as a college with potential for excellence in 2010.
In an academic ambience or the best infrastructural facilities and highly motivated group of distinguished scholar teachers, the college today is a recognized PG center and a research center with 3,040 students.
Jaya Bharat Janani Tanujate, Jaya He